Hello, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet table runner designs. Please like the video and share with your friends and family members. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel. You can get many ideas from my video. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. I request all of you to subscribe to my channel Creation first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful designs shown to you people in it. If you know how to do the crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with a beautiful piece of cloth. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and women love such table runner covers designs. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay with me. We'll remember in prayer. Take care and bye.